Hey guys, it's Thundersplash. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, like the video, dislike the video, do what you gotta do. But subscribe to this channel and I'm gonna keep putting out good content. But at the end of the day, really, this is just meant for all of us to learn how to do the complicated stuff as simple as possible. And with that being said, in this episode, we're gonna be talking about how to make a teleporter in Unreal Engine 5. All right, let's get into it. First, we're gonna go to the marketplace and we're gonna look for FX Variety. Then we're gonna add to our project, right click, look for Blueprint Class, and select Actor. After that, rename it. Open it up. We're gonna go to Viewport, go to Add, and look for Box Collision. Click Add again, and look for Cascade. After that, we're going to select Heal. Now let's fix this part right here. After that, we're going to readjust the box collision. Next, we'll hit Compile. Go to Event Graph. Next, we'll right click on Event Begin Overlap. Look for Destroy Actor. And then we're going to connect the other actor to target. Compile. Now we're going to go to Game Mode. We're going to right click, look for Event Begin Play. And then we're going to look for Bind Event to On Destroyed. I'm going to right click on the event and look for Add Custom Event. I'm going to rename this to Teleport Player. Now I'm going to right click on Target, look for Get Player Character. After that, we're going to right click on Teleport Player and look for Spawn Actor. Next, we'll connect Destroy Actor to Class. Now we're going to right click and split the Spawn Transform. So now we're going to change the X-axis to 150, the Y-axis to 1510, and the Z-axis to 100,000. Right click on Return Value, look for Cast to Third Person. After that, we're going to right click, make sure Content Sensitive is not clicked, and look for Possesses. After that, we're going to right click on Target and look for Get Player Controller. And then we're going to connect As BP Third Person Character to NPON. Next, we're going to right click and look for Bind Event to On Destroyed. And then we're going to right click again on Target and look for Get Player Character. After that, we'll go to Teleport Player, and we're going to connect it to the event on Bind In to On Destroyed. Compile. Now we just need to drag it onto our scene and click play. Alright, so as you can see, we are way too high up. So all this means is we just gotta fix the Z-axis. So let's go back to game mode. And change that to 10,000 instead of 100,000. Hit compile. Hit play. And it should work now. Alright, perfect. That looks good. So whenever your player touches the teleporter, they should teleport. So now if we want to make the player teleport from one side of the map to the other, we'll go back to game mode. Change the x-axis to 2,280. Change the y-axis to 2,760. And change the z-axis to 292. Compile. And press play. And as you can see, when the character touches the portal, it teleports to the new location. And that is how you make a teleporter in Unreal Engine 5. Hey guys, if you like these type of videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Later.